So in this Design Wizard tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to flip a video horizontally in Design Wizard. So first thing you have to do obviously is open up Design Wizard, then go to the left hand side of your screen and press on Elements. Then where it says videos, I want you to go ahead and press on more. Now what you can either do is select a video that is shown right here if it loads in time, or what else you can do is go to the top search bar here and then search up a video for yourself. But for demonstration purposes, how about we go ahead and view a video right here of a person, what appears to be, maybe feeding their dog or playing with their dog, whatever the case may be. Regardless, it is stock footage that we are using. So once that video is actually imported into your design, we'll wait a couple seconds for it to show up. Hopefully it does that soon, just for demonstration purposes, obviously. But if it doesn't work, I'll show you guys how to do it. It's going to work the exact same way. But regardless, if you were to go ahead and actually flip this image, which hopefully, there you go. The video is right here. Now, if you want to flip it, it's pretty straightforward. Press on the video. My apologies. Go to the top, and where it says flip right here, I want you to press it to get this drop down. And if you want to flip it horizontal, go ahead and press on that. Now the video is flipped horizontally. So pretty straightforward. But that's how you guys can flip a video. My apologies, horizontally in Design Wizard. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.